I hope you learned something. We learned from a lot of the other guys and people in the parks how to do this, and then now we're showing people. It's amazing. Hi guys, Strange RV Tourist. This is Janet, Janet Mechanic, I guess. Anyway, we've been asked how to do the awnings on the RV. Well, when we first started, we asked everybody, how to do it. We didn't have instructions, so we've learned over time how to do this, and I'm going to show you. Actually, Greg's going to have to help. Well, he doesn't have to. I could do it, but it takes twice as long. So let me show you what's going on. How to open our awning. It's a really nice awning. It was replaced like a year ago. When we bought the RV, they said it'd been like a year, and it's lovely, and it helps a lot. And right now, if you can see, the sun's beating down over here. This will help with the heat, especially if you're in the desert like Las Vegas. And I'm going to be doing this left side. He's going to be doing the right. He's going to be filming just to show you. Okay. Alright. The first thing we want to do, though, actually, we have these knobs here that you gotta loosen on both sides. Don't worry, it won't take forever. There. And flip out. I could have flipped that one out.
It's a little clip. Yeah, get that clip.
And okay, thanks,
that
Greg.
clip.
And then you gotta release the lever. Here, see it says pull up, pull down, easy, easy peasy. And then okay, this is the pull rod. There's a little strap here. You gotta pull. See? Easy. Even I can do it, and I'm only right now at 127 pounds. And I grab onto it. Not bad.
Like a pro.
There we go. It kind of latches, so which is awesome.
Make sure you pull it all the way out, right?
Right. These babies.
Extend those arms out. Yeah. I remember. Yeah.
All right, guys. So Greg's on the other side. We've already previously marked approximately our best height with a marker. There's little holes and rivets. That's this has a little thingy that sticks out. I don't know how to say it, but anyway,
Lever.
a lever that goes back into the hole. Goes like that. Anyway, we marked the hole that we like to normally go to. So let's just pull up and see. Oh, I'm one up. So I gotta come down one. There. See? Anyway, yeah, it blocks out that sun. And, you know, when it's windy, go ahead and take it back down. But you can see where I marked it on this side. See what I mean? How this lever comes through.
Yeah.
And then the strap gets in everybody's way. You can take this totally off, but I don't want to try to thread it through. So I just normally slide it down to the end and then wrap it around the pole. That's pretty good. Anyway, then I just throw it around the pole so it's not hanging. You know, that's pretty much it. And we have these lights that we put across here also. You know, just for, you know, pretties. It's a girl thing, I guess. You know. But I mean, you can take this all the way off, but I didn't want to have to re-thread it through the groove. So, and that's it. You know, if it's raining or such as that, I say to roll it up and then roll it back out to let it dry. But we've had no problems so far. The wind was a problem earlier. That's why we retracted it. And this actual awning has the metal casing over it.
Yeah.
And it's a big lifesaver. I mean, you see all these people with their awnings, there's no cover on them. They'll disintegrate after a couple years. And this is a life, it saves the life of the awning. So, you know, just a thought, if you're going to replace it, you're thinking, okay, I'm going to have to replace it in a year or two, that would suck.
I'm glad you mentioned that. It's a huge savings.
Yeah, and you can also disconnect these arms through here. They can lift and come back down, and you can actually lift this off and make it more like a carport. But the thing is, it's a hassle for us. Or we're not going to park our car here, so, and we're not going to long term. So we just leave it like this, and it works for us. So you guys, thank you so much. I hope you learned something. We learned from a lot of the other guys and, you know, people in the parks how to do this, and then now we're showing people. It's amazing.